Hey, Pastor, you're recording yourself every single week. But whereabouts in the frame should we be placing ourselves? Should we be up high? Should we be down low? What's going to work out most effectively to connect with people and hold their attention? Hang around here and you'll find right out. Hi there, my name is John Albiston. And in this session, we're going to talk about where in the frame should we be placing our face? Where in the frame do we fit? Now, I've seen lots of churches use lots of different strategies here. Not all of them work as effectively as others. Some churches are placing the subject at the very bottom of the frame. Maybe there's a big cross or something that you're trying to show off, or some kind of piece of art or something like that, or just, you might just be holding your phone that way. Either way, when you place the subject at the bottom of the screen, it actually looks kind of weird. Another mistake that is made is you place the subject too high in the frame, in which case it looks like you're cutting off your head or you're banging your head against something.
What was that?
Also a fairly awkward look. The most common mistake is to put the subject's face dead center of the frame. Now you think that that would make sense, but it still leaves far too much headroom above, and it makes the subject look very, very short. And you focus on all this empty space. It's not a natural look. So where ideally should you be placing yourself in the frame? Well, there's two things to keep in mind. First is, where is the visual center of your face? And it turns out to be your eyes. Why? Well, because when we talk to somebody, we don't stare at each other's noses or stare at each lips or stare at each other's foreheads. We look at people right in the eye. So you want to be focused mostly on where you're placing your eyes within the frame. Second thing is where is the visual center of the frame? The visual center of the frame is not the actual center of the frame. You put your eyes at the actual center of the frame, it's going to look weird. The visual center of the frame is actually 2/3 of the way up. At that 2/3 mark, that's the most natural, normal place for the center to feel. So if you can place your eyes there, it's going to look much better. What you're trying to avoid is to have lots of space above your head or no space above your head, so it looks like you're banging your head into something. That's going to be awkward. That's going to be weird. We want to avoid that. So just keep your eyes at that 2/3 mark, and your frame's going to seem much more normal, and people are going to be able to connect with you in a much more natural way.